Hello guys, my name is Adam Mulani. In this video I am going to show you how you can install FreeBSD operating system in VirtualBox. So first download the ISO file from the internet. Just go in the Chrome and search for FreeBSD ISO download. Here click on first link. Just scroll little bit down. If your system is 64-bit, just click on AMD 64. If your system is 32-bit, click on i386. I am clicking on AMD 64-bit. Here you have to search for the file name ending with disk1.iso. So this is the file. Click on this link, your file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded this file, so I am not going to download it again. Now let's go into the VirtualBox. Here just simply click on this new button. Provide the name of your operating system. Here type of operating system and version is automatically detected by VirtualBox. Just simply click on next. Leave the default settings as default. Click on next. Create. Next. Dynamically create. Now the next step is click on this settings button. Click on storage. Click on here empty. Select the ISO file which you have downloaded. Just select the ISO file. Click on open. Click on OK. Now click on start button. Cancel this. To maximize this window, go to view, click on scaled mode, click on switch. Now you can maximize the window. Just press enter. Continue with default key map. Press enter. Provide your host name. I am providing Adam. Enter. Press enter. Here press down arrow and select guided UFS disk setup. Press enter. Now you can do partition also, but I am going with enter disk. Just press enter. OK. Finish. Commit. Now it will be installed. This may take some time. Here provide password for root. Press enter. Again press enter. press enter, again press enter. Press enter again. Now select your region. Now select your country. Just press enter, press enter, press enter again, and press enter again. Now it is asking for would you like to add user. So I want to add user, so I am selecting yes and press enter. Username I am giving as Adam. Just press enter here. Now for home directory permissions, enter here field. Here enter password. Enter password again. Here enter yes, press enter. It is asking to add another user. I don't want to add another user. Enter no, press enter. Now choose exit and press enter. Press enter. Now reboot the system. Press enter again. Now FreeBSD operating system is installed. Select shell and press enter. Now you can execute your commands here. Thanks for watching, guys.